Hi everyone, and thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. So in this one, I'm going to show you this Flask application with the help of which you can detect the number of males and number of females in a video, right? And also, you get to see the bifurcation on the top over here like this. So basically, we have used the model called the gender detector over here, and in the below in the video itself, if you see, there is a note which is saying accuracy may vary due to limited training data. So the model that we are using in the backend for getting this output has been trained on a limited data. That is the reason the result may not be that accurate, but yes, if the data is huge, definitely this model will give you an accurate result. Okay, so let's check how this application is doing all these things. So this is the front end of the application. Now what happens is you can simply choose a file in which you would like to detect the number of males and number of females, and also who all are males and who all are girls. That also you can check over here through this application. Now by the time the backend is processing the video, let me just walk you through the complete code. So over here, there are two templates: index.html, result.html. This is the home page, and this is the page where you get to see the result. Okay, this is a result page. Then comes the static folder. So here you will see the uploads, the file that you have uploaded, and also the output file. Then comes the gender underscore detector.pt. So this is nothing but the model that we have got through the RoboFlow model detector application. Now what is this RoboFlow? Let me just take you there and show it to you. So this is an online website wherein you get different types of data sets which you can use for developing your models. So this is the one which I am using. Okay, its name is gender detection. Fine. And now because I'm done with doing all the types of augmentation and processing, that's the reason I'm able to see this code over here. If you want, you can also use the same code. So what you have to do is you have to come here in this Google Colab. This is the first step that you have to run. Then comes the second step, which is nothing but the code that you've got from this RoboFlow. And then comes the downloading of the model. So after you're done with training your model, the next thing is you need to detect the path of your model. Once that is done, you can simply download it on your local. So these are the 4 steps, and you can find all the 4 steps in this file here. I have uploaded the complete code in the GitHub repo of mine. Let me just show you that too. So this is the GitHub repo in which you will find the complete code of this application, and also you will find this docs file wherein you can find the steps you can use for getting such model through the Google Colab. Okay, so still the video is getting processed. So what happens is in the backend, if you see, we're using this Python code. Okay, so it takes this as an input. It takes this gender underscore detector.pt model, and then it takes the file that you upload as an input, and finally it processes it and gives you the output like this. So the video has got processed, and let me just show you the output in a bigger screen. Okay, so I hope you're able to relate to it. That is it from my side in this lecture. The code of this application is there in the description section below in the form of a GitHub link. You can download it, set it up on your local device, try it out, and then let me know about your views in the comment section below. Thank you very much. Take care and have a great day, guys.